Hello students, now welcome to the second segment of determinants. I already introduced in the previous classes that determinants are classified into several types and one of its type was articles. We completed our articles chapter A and the, and now we are going to our second segment of determinants, that is introduction to quantifiers. What does quantifier mean? Quantifier is derived from the word quant, that means quantity. Something that is described to measure a noun, to measure something. It just simply refers to the measurement, any type of measurement. So what are quantifiers? Quantifiers are those words which are used to refer some measurement of noun. I have written the definition in a very short way so that it may be understood by you. Definition is: quantifiers are used to describe or express something as an amount or number, or quantifiers are used to measure something as a whole. In a very short way I have written to make you understand in the few words that quantifiers are those words which can be measured while speaking, while writing, to measure something as a whole, to refer something as an amount or a number. For example, some, many, a lot of, few. Now, why this chapter is considered to be one of the most conceptual chapter in the determinants? What is the point of conflict? What is important to understand in determinants? What is the reason that we need to understand determinants very carefully? Because what is point of confliction? As you know very well that some is used for some quantity, many is also used for some quantity, a lot of is also used for some quantity, a few is also used for some quantity. So we can refer all these determinants for any noun, but the determinants are supposed to use in different cases. What is the point of confliction? The point of confliction is that some quantifiers are used with countable noun, some quantifiers go only with countable noun, some quantifiers go with only uncountable noun, while there are many determiners, the quantifiers that only go with both. Some go with the countable noun, some uncountable, and some go with the both. So it is very necessary to understand the concept that what are those determiners that are used with countable noun, that are used with uncountable noun, and what are those types of determinant that are used with both countable and uncountable noun. So students get confused that how to use it, how to use, where to use it. If some is written here, then some is used for countable noun, uncountable noun, or if it is used for both cases, then what are those cases where we can use some with countable as well as uncountable. Same thing happens with many also, a lot of also, a few also. So here I am going with the glance of the usage. A very few basic point is written here that you will be able to understand. I hope you just pause it and see that where should we use these quantifiers. This is not the end class of quantifiers. I will be telling you in the next classes, in the further classes, in the further grammar classes, the determinants classes, that what are the difference between all these quantifiers. But at a glance we can see that with countable noun there are few quantifiers like a few, a number of, several, a great, large number, many. These are some quantifiers that are only used with countable noun. With uncountable noun, a little, a bit of, a large amount, much. These are all words which are used with uncountable noun. These quantifiers are used with uncountable noun. There are some more quantifiers that can be used with countable as well as uncountable depending upon the usage and the cases. For example, no, none, some, all, any, a lot of, lots of, plenty of. So these are some examples of the quantifiers that are used with countable, uncountable, or both. In the further classes I'll be telling you that what are the differences between like a few, a number of, several, a few, little, a bit of, what any, a lot of, what are the basic differences between all these things, because unless we understand this we are not able to solve the quantifiers words properly, because it is one of the most important topic that naturally comes in the board examination under the error and correction. Thank you.